Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video. Since it is highlighted and if you can see the red shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video one. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the very top, and the option which is responsible for the resolution is right here on the second position from the right. So currently we've got 1080p option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got two different options from which we can choose. So as I said, currently we've got 1080p and here we can set 720p. So in order to change it, simply tap on the option like to use, and as you can see it will be immediately notified right here. So it means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution to record videos, but I highly recommend to stick with this option as it is the best possible here. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.